how you doing? It's the winters and I hope that you are keeping yourself warm and cozy and also taking very good care of your skin. Today I have a makeup tutorial for you, and this makeup tutorial is all about glowy makeup. And as you can see, my skin has got this healthy glow and radiance about it. This is the kind of makeup, which I prefer wearing because it looks natural vis-a-vis a matte makeup. I prefer the dewy makeup these days because my skin is also sort of aging, and this is a more natural kind of a makeup. So I have made a tutorial for you of the same, so I hope that you enjoy watching this tutorial. There is a very nice glow cream that I've used for my base. You can go in with any strobe cream you prefer and come up with your own version of this look, and I would be so happy to see it. I would be so happy to hear about it in the comment section. So if you like my video, like, comment and subscribe. See you later. So the first step is to moisturize your skin liberally. A nourished skin is a great canvas for makeup application. The moisturizer that I'm using here is by Venusia, and it has been recommended to me by my doctor, and this is something I use liberally over my face and over my neck. And the next step is to prime your skin, and here I'm using Benefit's PoreFessional. This primer is an absolute bomb of a product because it really evens out your skin in a very wonderful way and gives you that canvas to work on. And you must invest in a primer like this if you have uneven textured skin. And now here is the secret to the glowy makeup or the dewy makeup, and this is a strobe cream or a glow cream by Becca Cosmetics. And you can see this is in copperish shade because this was the only shade which was available on Nykaa, and I picked it up. But I do like this shade because once it's blended out, it looks quite natural, and the kind of tint it imparts to the foundation also makes the foundation look very skin like. And here you can see how much I'm glowing. So now I'm going in with my foundation by Too Faced. This is Born This Way, and this again is a phenomenal product. Just looks so natural on the skin. It's blendable, it's buildable, it's weightless, and the way it shows on your skin, it's really amazing. It looks so very natural, and highly recommend this product. And I apply it using a wet sponge. Use this foundation once, you will be just blown away by how easy it is to use, how user friendly it is, and how beautiful it looks. And you need a damp sponge to basically work with this foundation, or any foundation for that matter. And now I'm going to highlight my under eyes, my T-zone, and my chin. And for this I use Maybelline Age Rewind in the shade medium. This again is a time tested and a splendid product as it gives you great coverage. It's very light in texture, and the way it blends with your foundation is like a dream. So this is my all-time go-to product, and I just love it. I just completely love this concealer. So now we come to contouring the face, and for this I'm actually using a bronzer, Bahama Mama. And the reason for that is because this bronzer is very matte in appearance. So, and I don't want to actually go for very strong contour lines. I just want a little contouring, mild contouring rather. And I just mildly contour my face with this bronzer and don't go heavily into it. And the idea is to just get a very well blended look and not have any sharp lines showing on the face. And now using this LA Girl Pro Conceal palette, I'll be using the lighter shade to just set my under eyes. And this again is a very affordable and a wonderful product. And now we should just bronze the face. And this is Ori Flames bronzer that I've had for many years. And I just remember to use it today because I believe a lot of people have this bronzer by Ori Flame. And as you could see, the the text is off the packaging. However, I know that it's by Oriflame, and these bronzer pearls are supposed to be used like this, that you dip your brush into the pan, you swirl it around, and whatever product comes, you apply it on your face. And now just going in with my blush, and this is by Clinique, and this is also a very blendable product that looks very natural, and I just totally love it. That I just want to amp up and glow up that blush with my Body Shop Honey Bronze. And as you can see, the blush is now glowy, and that was the whole point of this makeup look actually. And as you can see how nicely this thing is glowing. So now going in with the quintessential highlighter. This highlighter is by the Balm Mary Loumanizer, and this is one of the most natural looking highlighters and loved by so many YouTubers world over. It's a very natural look, and when I ordered this from Nika, it had actually come broken. So what you see is basically their fault, not mine. And just see how beautifully this blends against the skin. And I highlight my forehead, my chin, the top of my cheeks, and my nose. And now I shall just set my eyes also. And for this, I'm using Too Faced concealer in the shade Sand. And then I'm just gonna set it with my LA Girl Pro Conceal powder in the lighter shade. So next comes our eye makeup, and for eye makeup, I've picked up this Smashbox Pinks and Palm eyeshadow palette, which was a limited edition, and the pinks that you see in the palette are really, really beautiful. And what I've done is that I've taken the lightest pink and I've just applied it with my finger all over my main eyelid area. And now I'm just going in with a light matte pink and defining my transition. And now I shall just deepen my crease with a slightly darker matte pink, and see how beautiful the pinks in this palette are. I have three Smashbox palettes and I love all of them. All the three are eyeshadow palettes. I also have a Smashbox face palettes, and they are just equally beautiful. I'm really in love with their formula, and each of their product that I've picked up has performed always very, very well. Now you see me highlighting my inner corners with that golden brownish shade. And this palette is primarily pink. There is a green also in there, but I don't find much utility for that green. And also for this look, I wanted something very soothing on the eyes. Now I'm just going to quickly fill in my brows, and for filling up my brows, the eye pencil that I've used is by MAC, and this has got a very precise tip. And again, this is a stellar product if you want your brows to look natural, if you want, you know, each and every strand of yours to be visible and to look extremely natural and neat. This is the pencil that you should invest in. And here I'm also using color bar pencil. I'm using the spoolie of the pencil to make sure that the product is evenly distributed in my brow. And this is Anastasia brow gel that I used in the end to set my brow hair in place. And now I've just taken a black shade from this palette that I was actually using to check my makeup. So I've just taken the black. You can take any black eyeshadow that you have with you and just smudge it like this along your waterline and also on the upper lash line. So next comes the mascara, and this mascara is by Smashbox. It's called Super Fan Mascara, and I have used so many mascaras from a lot of brands, but this one remains my favorite since I actually all of the makeup that I use has been purchased by me, and I purchase quite a lot of makeup. I have to say that this mascara is by far the best and the most user friendly mascara, and the way it brings out your lower lashes is also amazing, and it's not at all uh, it's completely hassle free. And now what I do is I line my lips with NYX Copenhagen shade of lip liner, and I fill it up with Smashbox Stylist lip color. And now I just go in with my MAC Aladdin lip gloss, and the name of the shade is Jewels on Jewels. Love, love, love this shade, and it's almost getting over actually. It was a limited edition lip gloss, and I don't know where I'll find it now. And now I just set my makeup with my MAC setting spray, and this is not a dewy finish setting spray, it's a matte finish setting spray, but this is the one I have, this is the only one I have. So this is my final look. I open my hair and I just let you see what the makeup looks like. So this is what the makeup looks like, and I hope that you liked my video. Like, comment and subscribe. Follow me on Instagram, follow me on YouTube. I promise to keep bringing you more and more such amazing content. So do let me know what is it that you wish to learn makeup wise. Thank you so much. Bye. Take care. Happy winters.